Bilbao, Spain, pre-1990s, was considered the fourth largest city, containing one of its most important ports and center for manufacturing, shipping, and commerce. But by 1991, the Basque government began an ambitious redevelopment plan that consisted of a new airport, subway system, and first-class cultural facility. Thomas Krenz of the Solomon Guggenheim Foundation was invited to meet the Basque government to discuss bringing a new Guggenheim museum to its city. After negotiations were complete, Frank Gehry was appointed to design the museum in Bilbao. Gehry's proposal for the design was to embrace the identity of the Guggenheim Museum and its new home in the Basque Country. Frank Gehry designed a building consisting of complex curved forms, but at the time he had no idea how to design it on the computer, so he came about a program called CATIA, used by the aerospace industry to translate his concept to the structure and to help with construction of the project. So by 1993, construction on the museum had begun, but in the process, Gehry had changed his mind on some of the materials he had thought of using for the skin and ended up using titanium as a skin since it had a rough anagornic effect, which also changed color depending on light conditions and weather. Other materials heavily used are limestone and glass, which harmonized with the titanium skin. In 1997, the project was officially done and open to the public. In the coming years, the museum was a huge success and brought visitors from all over the world, which brought financial gain to the city, as well as a change of culture. From what was an industrial city, was now becoming a city of culture and arts. This was eventually called the Bilbao effect. To this day, the museum is bringing in fine artwork and putting it on display to the public for all to enjoy.